Hey, second grade, welcome back to another math lesson with me. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've definitely been missing our daily jokes. So, I have some awesome news for you. One, I have a new joke for today, and I am going to have a new joke at the beginning of every math lesson. Number two is if you have a joke that you want to share with the class, you can put it in the private comments after you finish your assignment for the day, and I will share it with the whole class in one of my lessons. All right, here's our first joke. What did the nose say to the finger? What do you think? Quit picking on me. Oh my goodness, what a funny one. All right, let's get ready with our lesson today. So we are doing 7.3 mental math strategies. This mental math strategy is going to be super simple because only one place value is going to change in each of these problems today. Let me show you with this first problem. I have 697 take away 100. And when I look at this problem, I see something very interesting. Let's look at the number we are taking away, 100. When we look at 100, I notice that we aren't going to have to take anything away in the ones. We are not going to have to take anything away in the tens. We are only going to take away in the hundreds. So this is almost like first grade math right here, all right? We are going to fly through this today. So I am going to simply be able to plop down that 7 because 7 take away nothing is still 7. I'm going to easily be able to plop down that 9 because 9 take away nothing is still 9. And here is the only place value that's going to change. 6 take away 1. Who knows what that is? You're right. It is 5. So we have 500s. And as you can see, that is the only difference between 697 and 597. That one place value, the hundreds. All right, second grade, if you don't yet have a notebook, I want you to go get one and help me with these next few problems. All right, our first problem is going to be 567 take away 100. I'll give you a second to write that down in your notebook. All right, now I want you to look at that number or those numbers in your notebook, specifically the number we're taking away, 100. I want you to circle the place value, or better yet, put a little arrow at the top of which place value is going to change. Well, I know it's not the ones because there's a 0 in the ones. I know it's not the tens because there's a 0 in the tens. Ding, 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 ding. It's the hundreds again because we are going to be taking away 100. All right, let's get subtracting, and I bet you can do this in your brain without even using any other strategies. 7 take away nothing is 7. Oh, I'm going to use a different marker. 7. 6 take away nothing is 6. And here's where the change comes. 5 take away 1. You got it. It's 4. So our answer is 467. What's the only place value that changed? Ding, 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 ding. The hundreds. All right, we're going to do one more problem together, and I'm going to trick you on this one. I know I am. All right, so our next and last problem is 320 take away or subtract 10 equals. All right, I know I'm tricking you. I know I am. What I want you to do is I want you to look at this bottom number. What is the place value that's going to change? If you said 100, I tricked you, but I bet none of you did. You should all have said that the tens place is the only place that is going to change. So we can simply in the ones plop down that 0 because nothing, take away nothing, is still nothing or 0. Then, I don't know, is this math going to be too hard for you? 2 tens, take away 1 10. I don't know if we can do it. Yeah, we got it. It's 1. You guys are too smart for my silliness. You're probably rolling your eyes right now. And our last place value, 3 take away nothing, or 3 hundredths take away no hundredths, is 3 hundredths. So our new number, or our answer, is 310. The only place value changing is the tens. Now, how many of you are like, yes, 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 we got it, let's go to our lesson so we can rock it out? Awesome, I'm glad to hear that. Now, remember, if you have any questions, leave them in the Google Classroom comments or join a Zoom meeting. If you want to share a joke, also share that in the Google Classroom messages.